So I guess we're gonna do some really great turkey sandwiches today.
I'm super excited. This is definitely something we do at our winery pickup parties, and everybody at home will be stoked to know how to make this.
And it's something that you don't actually have to have leftovers from Thanksgiving to do, because turkey sandwiches, right?
Not at all. You know, if you have a couple people over at your house for Thanksgiving, simple, easy, and super tasty.
Welcome back to the Williamson Wines Epicurean kitchen out here at Yoakum Bridge. We're gonna do a little Enchant Trinity for the turkey sandwich today. Should be a great wine with Grenache, Shiraz, and Mourvedre all blended together in it. And then some of the other Williamson Wines products that we make that we're gonna be using in the recipe today are the extra virgin olive oil that comes from our estate right across the valley in Dry Creek. Then also this Herbie's Tasty Meat Sprinkle, which is one of the best things that you can put on not only this, but also hamburger or things like that. So Colin, what are we gonna do to get started?
Well, first we're gonna get these beautiful brioche buns nice and toasted with our Williamson Wines extra virgin olive oil, which is such a great product. Also, I want to reiterate that, you know, with stuffing and the gravy, we have these on our website, so everybody at home can really enjoy these recipes easily.
Totally. After like 15 years of doing recipes around Thanksgiving, we have a bunch of really amazing holiday-inspired recipes online.
Awesome. Okay, so first we're going to do just a little bit of the estate olive oil. All right, Sam, we're going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes to get them nice and toasted. And then next, I'm just going to go ahead and warm up with the gravy. Beautiful gravy. I can drink that. Oh, that smells so good. At this point, we're just heating up the gravy, waiting for the bread to brown.
You know the next step. It's just like all the other recipes. We got to open the wine.
I love that.
Here you go, Colin.
Oh, thank you so much.
Of course. Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
That's such a great wine. It's going to go perfectly with this turkey. I mean, there's nothing better. So how's that bread looking?
Let's give it a look. Oh, beautiful. Perfectly 5 minutes. Awesome. All right, so next, we're going to go ahead, see how nice color on these? Mm-hmm. I've always been told color is flavor.
That's right.
So next is going to be a little stuffing on the bread. Nice little base. All right, next, Sam, we're going to put the Herbie's Tasty Meat Sprinkle on our roasted turkey. And just a little bit. This stuff goes a long way. And it's great on everything.
You just throw it right on the top.
Right on the top. Let's give it a nice little toss. See how it's nicely coated. Okay. And then now, we're going to put some on the buns. They already look yummy. So now we're gonna add some very nice domestic brie to it. Just about a little tab on each one, because it's gonna melt all over it. Now we're gonna put these back in the oven at 350 degrees for about another 2 minutes until that cheese kind of goes over.
You know what you do with all your extra cheese. Don't let it go to waste. You can just, because the brie works really well with the wine. Mmm, delicious. The buns have been in there for about 5 minutes. Let's check them and see how they're doing.
Let's give them a look.
Yeah.
Oh my, look at those.
Mmm, melty goodness.
Let's get these on a plate. Now it's time for some beautiful warm gravy.
So after this gravy, we're going to add some cranberry sauce.
Yep.
Round out the whole package for the wine. Just enough to give it that perfect sweetness, right?
Absolutely. This is like a mini Thanksgiving dinner in 2 bites.
Exactly right, yep. Great, so Thanksgiving bite.
Absolutely.
Yeah, well, should we try it?
I'm so excited to.
Let's do it. How was it?
Mmm.
Everything you expected?
I can eat these all day.
Mm.
Mm. Yeah, that cranberry sauce has so much red wine in the recipe.
Well, that's the secret. You got to put the wine in the recipes and in the chef.
Hey, I'm all for it. We have so many cool holiday recipes on our website that people at home can just really kind of dig through.
Absolutely, and that's one of the fun things that we do all year round is just have a lovely selection of different wines and recipes out here at the Yoakum Bridge Kitchen. And we'll see you next time.